Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the font and color of your lock screen's clock. So first, slide down your notification setting and hold. You can create a new background, but the point of the video is to change the text. So click Customize, and click on the text. Here you can see different fonts and colors to edit your clock. You can also change the color of the background if you want to. Simple as that. If this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.